You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this molecule once and for all correctly, and we're going to look at how to say the brand name as well. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. How to pronounce Montelukast. 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 The brand name is Singulair, alright? Like singular, but with air at the end. Stress on the first syllable, Singulair. So, Montelukast Singulair. Now you know how to pronounce it, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.